The X Factor Philippines would like to thank the following. Good Day 3-in-1 Coffee, a flavor for every mood. Tagaytay Highlands, set your sights higher. Revlon Professional, Egg Hub, for your unique mobile and computer accessories. Logarithm Stump Box handmade from high-quality toned wood from Britain. Kutis Mayaman by Glutamax. V-Cargo Worldwide. Send your shipments with one call to 9000002. Visit www.vcargo.com.ph. Dr. Reynaldo Carpio of Grand Monaco Homes. Sa Grand Monaco, tutulungan kang magkabahay. Apple View Hotel, Davao City. Move-in Peak Resort in Spa Cebu, a Swiss welcome, and Hotel Cagayan de Oro. Aquabest, perfection through technology. Sir Boy's Food Republic. Minute Burger, open for franchise. For inquiries, call 776-7339. Waffle Time, a different fill-in. Freshly baked at site. Fruta Shake Smoothies and Four Seasons. Be refreshed, be Zagu. Jolian Trap sa Pinoy. King Sue, taste fit for a king.
Welcome back to the X Factor Philippines. At kanina bago tayo nag-break, in-announce na po namin ang 6 names na safe for this week. Ang bottom 2 acts naman, they will be singing their survival song for our judges. It is time for the final showdown to begin. Miss Pilita, sino ba ang unang kakanta ng kanyang survival song?
Ang kakanta ng the next contestant, which is of course my one and only contestant. Siya na lang ang naiiwan, but I'm very, very proud of her. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Joanne.
Easy go, that's just how I live. Oh, take it all, but you never gave. Should've known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open. Why were they open? I gave you all the love and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash. You did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. 'Cause what you don't understand is I'll catch a grenade for love. Throw my head on a blade for love. I'll jump in front of a train for love. You know I'll do anything for you. Would go through all this pain, take the bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby, but you won't do the same. If my body was on fire, ooh, you watch me break down and flame. You said you love me. You never, ever, ever did, baby. I still catch a grenade for love. Throw my head on a blade for love. In front of a train for you. You know I'll do anything for you. Oh, I would go through all this pain. Take the bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby, but you won't do the same.
Maraming salamat, Joanne! Mga kapamilya, sino ba ang para kay Joanne sa PAGCOR? Gary V, sa tingin mo ba, ang finalist mo ang magsusurvive ng showdown ngayong gabi?
Naniniwala ako dun sa sinabi mo, Casey. Andito sila uli. Hindi masama ang loob nila dahil ito, nabibigyan sila uli ng isang pagkakataon na makapag-perform para sa inyong lahat at para sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon. I am proud to bring out right here on this X Factor stage once more, Take Off.
Ngayon nag-iisa pagkatapos na ulan. Pinipilit bang sabihin na ito'y wala sa atin? Ngunit bakit hanggang ngayon nagturo mo pa rin? Sa kanya pa rin babalik sigaw ng damdamin, sa kanya pa rin sasayaw. Bulong ng puso, buhay pa ang alaala ng ating nakaraan. Ang pagmamahal at panahon alay pa rin sa kanya. Sa kanya pa rin babalik sigaw ng damdamin, sa kanya pa rin sasayaw. Bulong ng puso ko, di maalala ng ating nakaraan. Ang pagmamahal, ang pagmamahal, ang pagmamahal, ang pagmamahal, ang pagmamahal alay pa rin sa kanya, sa kanya, sa kanya, sa kanya.
Maraming salamat. Take Off. We would like to call back on stage Joanne, mga kapamilya, Joanne at Take Off. Judges, narinig na natin ang kanilang survival song. Between the two, sino sa tingin ninyo ang karapat-dapat na manatili pa sa X Factor Philippines? Ang pangalan na babanggitin ninyo ay ang pangalan ng contestant na pauuwiin nyo na ngayong gabi. Judges, that will happen sa pagbabalik ng The X Factor Philippines.